Good morning, Internet. Adam Bate here from B2Net Solutions. Just wanted to do a quick demo video this morning on adding a domain in Plesk 10. Now, fairly simple task, but some people do run into issues with this, so we just wanted to cover everything there is to adding a brand new domain within your existing Plesk 10 hosting environment. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually log in, obviously, to your control panel. And the first thing you're going to see when you land is this screen. And under websites and domains, you'll want to click on Add Domain. Now, all there is to this blank here is the domain name. So whatever your new domain name is without the www, in this case, let's do the coffeebean.us. It's the coffeebean.ca that we already have on this account, so we're going to add the coffeebean.us. Now, there are some options we can go over with adding this domain. For DNS settings, unless you know what you're doing and you've set up this domain on other servers, keep this as this check. Keep master DNS zone on this server. If you don't understand sort of the options here, it's no problem. Typically, you'll never have to use anything other than keep master DNS zone on this server. So scrolling down here a little, we have hosting type. There are three types of hosting you can set up within Plesk 10. The first being website hosting. So if you want to serve content available to the web through the coffeebean.us. It's obviously the most common type. It's your standard web hosting. Forwarding is another option. So say, for example, you wanted to forward the coffeebean.us to the coffeebean.ca. We'll put in standard forwarding here, and we'll add in the coffeebean.ca and click OK. Now, if you were to click OK, what that would do is forward the coffeebean.us to the coffeebean.ca. And so that's the forwarding hosting type. And lastly, we have no hosting. Now, no hosting is just as it says. You won't be able to serve any content, but you will be able to manage the DNS. So if you want to maybe set up host names, say latte.thecoffeebean.us or darkroast.thecoffeebean.us, for whatever reason, if you wanted to just do DNS hosting, or if you were using a different host like a Tumblr blog or a Blogspot blog, and you wanted to simply forward the DNS to their services, this is what you would use. In our case, we're going to use website hosting. Now, document root is the folder in which all of the content for the website will be stored. So in this case, site 1 is default. We won't use that. Let's use TCB US. So the Coffee Bean US, and click OK. Domain name already exists. Okay, so obviously we've done this example before, so for argument's sake, let's try thecoffeebean.org, and we'll change the document root to tcb.org. Ignore that. That's just because I got ahead of myself with too many demos. So thecoffeebean.org, tcb.org, click OK. And that's all there is to it. We have two domains now underneath our account, one being the coffeebean.ca, which is in the default HTTP docs folder, and then we have the coffeebean.org, which is now served out of tcb.org, and you can click on the file manager here to view any files within this folder. So it comes with all the default templates. And you have coffeebean.ca/tcb.org, which is where the coffeebean.org is served from. And really, that's all there is to it. You'll be able to sort of add email accounts like you would any other domain. You can set up your one-click applications. You can set up your content management systems. You can basically serve your website as you would any other website by simply adding it into Plesk 10 like this. Sorry for the long-winded demo today, but that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, always feel free to open a support ticket with us or send us a tweet on Twitter at twitter.com/b2netsolutions, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot.